Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing another PM service on a communicating building here. AT&T, Spectrum, you know, those kind of buildings here. And I've got, you see behind me, I got 4 wall mount units. I got 1 here, 2, 3, 4. And again, we check the same things. We look at the compressor, the wires, you know, low pressure, high pressure controls, check for leaks. And this should be cold. We wash the condenser coils here. EVAP coils are up there. We check freon pressures here and here. You know, check the blower amps, make sure there's no burnt or broken wires. So we do a thorough check. You know, we'll also go inside, check the temperature coming out of the vents and things like that. So call us for our air conditioning, heating, and plumbing needs. 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com, okay? Oh, and another thing too, we had to rent a water truck and there's no water here, so that's our truck. And that's the water tank that we rented, and that is the hose that we're going to use to take the water over there. Okay, so again, call us for everything, 512-448-0532. Okay, thanks, bye-bye.